Hi guys, and welcome to the part 8 of the cPanel for Beginners course, which we are going to look into backup and restore options that comes with cPanel. So at the end of this video, we're going to learn how to safeguard our data using cPanel's backup and restore tools. I can't overemphasize on how essential and important it is to backup your website files every single time. So let's delve into it. Now from the cPanel, just scroll to the files section and you are going to see the backup option right here and also the backup wizard. So those are the two main options that we have for backup. We also have this Jet Backup 5 right here. This is just an add-on plugin, okay? You might actually not see this option, or you might see another plugin on your cPanel. So this just depends on the hosting platform that you purchased your hosting from. So I'm not going to look into this because it is not universal, okay? The ones I'm going to look into right now is the backup and the backup wizard. So let's start from the backup wizard right here. Obviously, the wizard makes it very simple and step by step, okay? So you can see we have just 3 steps right here. This is backup or restore, and we have the second one, which is the full or partial backup, and the last one where you get to download the backup. So let's just go through the backup route and let's see how it looks like. Now when I click the backup button, I have 2 options right here for a full backup, or I select a partial backup. Now the full backup is going to back up everything about the website: the databases, the home directory, the subdomains, the email filters and forwarders as well. And the second option we have is to backup partially. Maybe we just want to backup the home directory, the public_html, or we just needed to backup the databases, okay? Or maybe the email forwarders and filters, okay? So these are just individual backups, or you can call it partial backups. But for the full backup, you make sure you have a strong internet connection and you have some enough internet browsing data, okay? So whichever one you need, you just click on it. But for now, I'm not going to click on any backup option right here. Well, I can assure you, if you click on it right here, it will take you to the third step where you just click the last button to download, okay? So I'll go back to the cPanel home. Let's check out the second option, which is the backup right here. So clicking on the backup option, let's see what it holds for us. So you can see right here, just as we saw from the backup wizard, we have the full backup option. So if I just want to, go with the full backup option, I just click here and download the full backup. So right here, we also have the partial backup. And this one right here we have only is for the home directory, and we have some couple other options right here to restore only the home directory, and we can as well restore the databases right here. Click here to choose the file from your computer, and you can click here to upload it, as well as this one right here for the database. This one here for email forwarders, you can just still click that, select the email forwarders file and click here to upload it. And the last one for the restore email filters, this one right here, you can as well click here to select the email filters file and click here to upload it. And that's all I have for you for the backup and restore option of the cPanel. I'll see you in the next video where we can talk about conclusion and some best practices. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.